Mexico City, a fast-growing metropolis posing many challenges. During the rainy season, the special climatic conditions of the subtropics can cause rain to turn into sheer floods of water, lashing down on the city and its inhabitants within a few days. That is a problem also when it comes to the hygienic conditions in the outskirts of the region. A targeted and preventive planning approach is therefore needed for urban development. The demands placed on the operation, planning and extension of the wastewater and sewage networks are extremely high. Large investments in this area are to sustainably improve the quality of life for the metropolitan region's 22 million inhabitants. In spite of the many challenges, the inhabitants' joy of living is remarkable. When planning had reached an advanced stage, KSB was also asked to provide assistance as an expert in hydraulics and project partner. Yet handling such a large project is not just about delivering reliable pumps of high quality, but also having the skills required for this special kind of application. The design of the pumping station, especially in terms of hydraulic functionality, was proposed by KSB, with a CFD calculation for the station, which was proven to be effective with a physical model test. KSB ensured that all required parameters were met in spite of the small diameter of the sumps. The engineering of the piping layout with all calculations was also provided by KSB. In cooperation with the supervisors of the construction site, the customer was presented with a complete engineering package from a single source. Within a very short time, the large pumps of the KRT type series were planned, built and delivered. Dimensions and weight were a challenge during loading and transport. Because of the pending rain period, fast delivery via air freight was required. To this end, an Antonov AN-124 of the Volga-Dnepr Cargo Company was chartered. It took KSB only a few days to organize the pump's entire transport, including advanced negotiations, the plane, trucks, papers and customs. The La Caldera pumping station in Mexico City. Here, KSB pumps of the Amerex KRT K700-900 type series are employed at a depth of more than 30 meters. The integrated siphons are exemplary in terms of using energy efficiently. A combination of guide rails and KSB's deep lift system ensures that the pumps are installed and connected correctly with the duckfoot bends. The La Caldera station is equipped with 24 KSB pumps with the nominal diameter DN700. In the event of heavy rainfall, up to 40 cubic meters of water are handled in 1 second at La Caldera. At a discharge head of 35 meters, each pump delivers a flow of 2 cubic meters per second. Proper installation and fixing of cables is a prerequisite for the safe operation and easy handling of the pumps during maintenance work. Any power losses are avoided by a seal at the pump flange. The control cabinets of the sumps were also delivered by KSB and are integrated into the whole system. In critical situations, an emergency power supply provides the station with the energy needed. Diesel fuel for several hours of operation on emergency power. The control center of the plant. KSB's deep lift system is a solution allowing the installation and removal of the submersible motor pumps at any time without the need for a permanently attached chain. The deep lift system independently finds the pump when sliding down the guide rails, even when it's submerged in several meters of water. A hook that closes when subject to a load and opens when it's relieved ensures that the pump is lifted up and put down safely. Installation work at the piping system performed from a man basket. In a brief interview, Dr. Carmona explained the focus points of the project.
The most important purpose for us was to solve the flooding situation in that part of the metropolitan area of Mexico City, due to a very fast growth of the population over an ancient lake. For that special situation, We needed the most updated and reliable technique.
The pumping station, designed for heavy rainfalls, is able to handle 40 cubic meters of mixed water per second to avoid flood damage in the surrounding residential areas. New projects in the region are planned to improve the quality of life. For these projects, KSB offers optimum products as well as excellent planning skills and proves itself to be the right partner in this field.